To compare keyword difficulty in Semrush, start by understanding what keyword difficulty is. It refers to how hard it is to rank for a particular keyword on search engines. Semrush provides a keyword difficulty tool that analyzes various factors such as competition, search volume, and content quality to give a score. First, log into your Semrush account and navigate to the Keyword Magic tool. This tool allows you to find and analyze thousands of keywords related to your business. Type in a seed keyword and select your target location and language. The tool will generate a list of relevant keywords along with their search volume, competition, and cost per click. Next, filter the list by keyword difficulty. Semrush uses a scale of 0 to 100 to measure keyword difficulty, with higher scores indicating more difficult keywords. You can set a range to view keywords with a specific difficulty level. For example, if you are just starting out, you may want to target keywords with a difficulty score of 60 or less. Now, compare the keyword difficulty of different keywords. Look for keywords with a lower difficulty score and higher search volume. These keywords are more likely to drive traffic to your website. You can also analyze the competition by looking at the number of results and the authority of the top-ranking websites. To get a more detailed analysis, click on the keyword to view its full report. This report includes the keyword difficulty score, search volume, competition, and content quality. It also provides a list of the top-ranking websites and their authority score. Use this information to identify gaps in the market and opportunities to outrank your competitors. Best practices for comparing keyword difficulty include analyzing multiple keywords, considering your website authority and content quality, and regularly monitoring your keyword rankings. By following these steps and using the Semrush keyword difficulty tool, you can make informed decisions about which keywords to target and create a successful search engine optimization strategy.